Pappaw here. I've had this little thermometer gun in my hand just about every weekend for the past 30 days. Let me tell you what I think. Hey everyone, this is Pappaw, and welcome to All About It with Pappaw. I'd like to share with you my experience with the TempPro TP30 Infrared Temperature Gun. Let's get into it. So here's the deal. I've got a Blackstone griddle out back that I cook on all the time. And I've had another temperature gun that I've used to check the temperature. You got to make sure you don't get it too hot or things burn. Or if you don't get it hot enough, things stick. I needed another temperature gun that I could just point and shoot to know exactly what I was working with. I also use my central air a good bit, and I wanted a quick way to check vent temps to make sure everything's running like it should. So I went on Amazon, found the TempPro TP30, and figured I'd give it a shot. First thing I noticed when I pulled it out of the box, it's light. I mean, really light. Doesn't feel like a burden at all. I can hold it with one hand while I'm flipping food or balancing myself on a ladder to check the air vents with the other. And that matters more than you think. Stability and being able to continue to do stuff while you use the infrared gun is a big thing. Accuracy wise, I've been impressed. I've spot checked it against my older thermometer a few times, and it's right where it should be. Now, I do want to be honest with you about one thing. The build quality feels a little plasticky to me. It works great right now, but I'm not sure how it's going to hold up if it gets dropped a few times or sits in a toolbox for a few years. Time will tell on that one. And it's got this real nice infrared dot, laser dot that you can see and use. And it really helps you know where you're pointing. And that's really helpful when you're checking your vents. When I point it at my Blackstone, I know I'm getting a real number, not a guess. It's also just easy to use. Point, pull the trigger, read the number. That's it. No menus to dig through, no setup. My grandkids picked it up and figured it out in about 10 seconds. I'm curious, do any of you use an infrared thermometer around the house or out on the grill? I'd love to know what you've been using. Drop it in the comments below. I'm always looking for another gadget. Here's where I land on this one. For the price, the TempPro TP30 does exactly what it says it'll do. It's accurate, it's lightweight, and it's dead simple to use. If you're a backyard cook or you just want something handy for checking temps around the house, it's a solid pick. If you're hard on your tools and you need something built to last a long time, you might want to consider something with a sturdier feel. But for everyday use, I'm happy with this. If you want to pick one up, I'll have my affiliate link available in the description. And of course, it always helps the channel when you use that link to purchase. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, tap the like button. If you've tried the TempPro TP30, I'd love to hear what you think. Are you happy you bought one? Don't hesitate to tell me about it in the comments. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this, tap subscribe because we've got new videos every Thursday. I'm Pappaw, and this has been All About It. See you soon.